Look at, they're so cute. Look at the little mushrooms all over this stump. Oh my gosh. And then there's some over here that are starting to get bigger. I don't know what kind of mushrooms they are. Super cool. Let's see. Let's steal. Oh, I broke it. Let's steal one. Got a stem. I don't know. Look at them. They're so cute. These look like two different kinds. This and this. This is definitely a different kind. Yep. Look at that. And then this over here. No chickens. Y'all stay away. They should know better. You know better? Yeah, they won't eat them.